Santa George here. Starting a new project today. This will be a cottonwood bowl. I had some really beautiful figure in a cottonwood bowl from the same tree, but that was a crotch. This has got a little bit of crotch stuff in it, but it's very small. So I'm not sure it will work for that, but thought we would show the process of getting it up on the lathe. It's not a huge round. My 30-year-old self would just pick that up and throw it up there, but my 66-year-old self isn't about to. So I'm going to use my lift. But you couldn't see that. I was moving my lift back and forth there. And we'll keep focusing on the wood itself. Hopefully I've got enough wide angle. Maybe I'll back it up just a little bit. It's going to block you from seeing all the wood, but you've got some more. We'll use a simple strap. I'll take it slowly here, make sure it's going to stay on. As always. Usually does. Lathe fired up. Move this guy out of the way. I better move this guy out. I want to work on the outside of the lathe first. My lathe has moved just a little bit, making this a little harder. Uh-oh. I don't know how much of that you could see. All I did was took it up there so I could crank the bowl on. Then we'll tighten up the set screws on this plate.